Are you tired of sofa beds that just don't live up to expectations? Uncomfortable mattresses, poor design, and less than ideal functionality? If you're ready to finally find a piece of furniture that offers both comfort and style without compromising on quality, you're in the right place. In today's video, we're diving deep into the top 5 best sofa beds for 2025. These incredible designs combine innovative comfort features, sleek modern aesthetics, and space-saving versatility to meet all your needs. Whether you're hosting guests or transforming your living room, you can find the links to the best prices for each product in the description below. Please note that the products are not ranked in any specific order, so make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any important details. So without further ado, let's dive in. Number 5. Belfin Modular Sectional Sleeper Sofa. The Belfin Modular Sectional Sleeper Sofa offers exceptional flexibility and comfort, making it an ideal addition to any modern home. The sofa features 9 modular sections, allowing for countless seating arrangements that fit your space perfectly. You can also rearrange the pieces for various configurations. One of its standout features is the hidden storage under each seat, which provides a practical solution for stashing blankets, toys, or other items and keeping your living area clutter-free. Available in 3 colors: Prussian blue, shadow gray, and pebble gray. It's easy to match with your home decor. The sofa's dimensions are 84.7 D x 90.2 W W x 33.5 H, with a seat depth of 26.4 inches and a seat height of 17.7 inches. Its sturdy construction is supported by a hardwood frame, ensuring durability for years of use. Moreover, it's easy to assemble with each piece arriving in individual boxes. Priced at $19.99. It's a competitive option for those seeking luxury seating with practical storage. The modular design makes it perfect for those who entertain guests frequently or have changing space requirements. However, if you prefer a simple, non-rearrangeable setup or are on a tight budget, you may want to explore other options. For those looking for flexibility, comfort, and storage, this is a strong contender. Number 4. Van Ack Sleeper Sofa. The Van Ack Sleeper Sofa is an impressive 2-in-1 piece of furniture that doubles as both a comfortable sofa and a functional bed. Its space-saving design includes a chaise with built-in storage, perfect for stashing away blankets or pillows. The sofa is made with high-density foam cushions wrapped in soft, durable chenille fabric for a cozy experience. It also features USB charging ports and cup holders, making it a convenient option for modern living. Assembly is easy, typically taking just 15 minutes with 2 people. As for the price, it's competitively priced considering the quality and dual functionality, making it a budget-friendly option for small spaces. If you're looking for a versatile, comfortable sofa that can quickly transform into a bed for guests, this one is definitely worth considering. However, if you're someone who needs extra thick cushioning or an exceptionally plush feel, you might want to explore other options. But for a space-saving, affordable, and stylish piece, the Van Ack Sleeper Sofa is an excellent choice for most living rooms. Given the features and price, this sofa is a solid pick for those in need of multifunctional furniture. Number 3. Bigzai Folding Ottoman Sofa Bed. The Bigzai Folding Ottoman Sofa Bed is a highly versatile and multifunctional furniture piece, perfect for small spaces or as an extra bed for guests. This product serves as an ottoman, chair, lounger, and bed, offering great flexibility in use. The adjustable backrest allows for comfort customization whether you're sitting or lying down. It features a sleek, modern design that blends seamlessly with various decor styles, particularly in its gray finish. Its compact form makes it ideal for apartments, RVs, or as an additional sleeping option in any room. With no assembly required, this sofa bed is incredibly user-friendly. It's lightweight enough to be easily moved, yet sturdy and comfortable, even for longer stays. The fabric used is durable, offering long-lasting quality while being soft enough for lounging. For those hosting guests or looking for a space-saving solution, this folding ottoman is both a stylish and practical choice. The price typically hovers around $180, $200, making it an affordable option compared to other multifunctional furniture. Many users have shared that it is perfect for occasional use, with some recommending adding a mattress topper for extra comfort when used as a bed. The firm yet comfortable seating is a standout feature, especially for those who prefer a more supportive sleeping surface. Whether you're seeking a compact lounger for your living room or a foldable bed for unexpected visitors, the BigZi Folding Ottoman Sofa Bed is an excellent, cost-effective solution. If you're tight on space and need something that offers both comfort and practicality, this could be a perfect fit. Number 2. Max Yo-Yo Beanbag Folding Sofa Bed. The Max Yo-Yo Beanbag Folding Sofa Bed is a versatile, comfortable solution for anyone looking for a multi-purpose seating and sleeping arrangement. This beanbag can easily transform into a bed, making it perfect for small spaces or guests in need of a temporary sleeping option. Its folding design allows for quick setup and easy storage, making it ideal for apartments, dorms, or homes that don't have much space. The extra-wide folding mattress provides a comfortable base for sleep, and the quilted fabric adds a touch of softness. This sofa bed comes in a variety of colors like beige, navy, and green, offering plenty of options to match different decor styles. The durable polyester cover ensures long-lasting use, while the bean filling offers an adaptive, plush feel. Whether you are using it as a lounge chair or a bed, it provides sufficient back support, making it a comfortable option for extended sitting or resting. At a price range starting at $169, the Max Yo-Yo Beanbag Folding Sofa Bed is a budget-friendly option that balances comfort with utility. It's a good choice for anyone seeking an affordable, space-saving solution for both sitting and sleeping. If you need a budget-friendly, space-efficient piece of furniture that can double as a sofa and a bed, this could be a great fit. It's especially useful in compact living spaces or for accommodating guests. However, if you're looking for something with higher-end features or a more permanent bed, you may want to consider other options. But for the price and versatility, the Max Yo-Yo offers solid value. Number 1. Lindsay Living Convertible Sofa Bed. The Lindsay Living Convertible Sofa Bed is a versatile and comfortable solution for those who need both seating and sleeping arrangements without taking up too much space. This product can easily transition between a sofa and a bed, making it perfect for apartments, dorm rooms, or guest spaces. One of its standout features is the memory foam cushion, which enhances comfort whether you're lounging or sleeping. Additionally, the solid wood bed frame and steel construction ensure the sofa bed is durable and sturdy enough to support up to 500 lbs. The design includes USB charging ports on the side, allowing you to charge your devices conveniently while relaxing, and cup holders for added convenience. The easy-to-fold design makes converting from a sofa to a bed a breeze, while the 3-inch thick foam mattress ensures a restful night's sleep. With an affordable price point, typically around $400–600 depending on retailer and promotions, the Lindsay Living Convertible Sofa Bed offers great value for its functionality and comfort. Whether you need extra seating for guests or a temporary bed for visitors, this convertible sofa bed is a practical and stylish addition to any home.